how to record video with PAL format 25 FPS on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Camera. Next, we tap on Record Video. Go down the list here and tap on Show PAL Formats. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Once you turn that on, then in your camera, you will be able to select 4K at 25 FPS. This is a PAL TV format, and it is very popular format used in Europe, Africa, Asia, and South America. And that's it. So that is how you can turn it on. Now, if you launch your camera and if you select video, when you are recording, you can select 25 FPS, which is the PAL format. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.